Hey there. So we are back with Google Contact API. So now we will see how to fetch all these contact groups and how do we update one of those contact groups. So if we click on this, we can see all these contact groups. And as you can see, there is only one contact group here which has the ability to be updated or deleted. Rest all of them does not have that capability. So the reason is that among all these contact groups, this one is the contact group that was created by user. Rest all of them are predefined contact groups in the system. So I mean that all of these contact groups are system created contact groups, and this one label is user created contact groups. So you will only be able to update or delete a user created contact group. If you try to update a system one, then you will get an error. So yeah, so now if I click on this edit button, it asks for renaming the label. So I'll give test label 1. If I save it again, it will refresh. And if I click on the labels again, you can see that label name is updated. So now we'll check how are we fetching those contact groups and updating a contact group. So here is the repeating group. This is the repeating group where we are using an API called get contact group list, where it needs access token. So first parameter is page token, where it will give a token in order to go to next set of list. And if in order to understand that, we'll go to the next parameter, which is page size. So in here you have to mention a number between 1 to 1000 as listed here, as shown here. So if I give 10 as the number, it will give me 10 contact groups. And if I want to move forward from 11 to 21, I have to use this page token value, where if I give that page token value here, it will give me next set of contact group lists which are above 10. So next comes sync token. So this token will help us get uh, newly retrieved values. So whenever we make changes to the contact group lists, and so if we make any changes in the contact group list, and if we want the changes that were made in the list, we can use sync token parameter. Then comes the group fields parameter. So in this field, you have to give some keywords, such as these are the keywords. This means that whenever you retrieve list of contact groups, you will receive all the information in these keywords, like the name of the contact group, the metadata, the member count, etc. So you can mention all those fields here, and it will give those information based on the keywords that you have written here. So if, for example, if I write only name here, it will give me only the name of the contact group and nothing else in the list. So yeah, this is how you retrieve a list of contact groups. Now we'll check how to update contact group. So if we come here, it's called API is called update contact group, where it needs a resource name. A resource name is the value from which we'll be able to locate a contact group. So it's the unique ID of a contact group. So each contact group has a unique resource name. And to locate a contact group, you need a resource name. Then comes the access token. Then again the resource name, and you can give that here. And you can add the another parameter is e tag. This will you'll get this values while fetching the contact groups and the name of the contact group. So apart from name, you don't have to put any other new values in these fields. Only the name will be newly updated one. So yeah, this is how you update a contact group. Thank you.